Phase diagram of water system is divided into three areas which are reserved for three phases, that is solid ice, liquid water and water vapor. These three areas are separated with the help of boundary lines or curves. There are three curves: curve OA labeled as vaporization curve, curve OB labeled as sublimation curve, and curve or line OC called freezing or melting point curve. These three curves separates the areas perfectly from each other. In the system, there is one special point called triple point O, at which temperature and pressure is specified. Temperature is 0.0098 degrees centigrade and pressure is 4.58 mm of mercury. Triple point is the characteristic of water system. In the phase diagram, there is one more special curve called as curve OA dash, which is called as metastable equilibrium curve. Freezing point of water, it can be still decreased or water can be supercooled below its freezing temperature without its conversion into ice. It is conditional approach. When the system is totally pure or without any impurities, then only it is possible. Even if the system comes in contact with a single dust particle or any other impurity, the equilibrium gets disturbed and the supercooled water will suddenly get converted into ice. The system is like in the areas or in the area of phases. The nature of the system is always bivariant. We need to specify temperature as well as pressure when we have to discuss the system in the areas. Along with the curves or boundary lines, the system is mono or univariant in nature, and at the triple point the system is invariant in nature. This can be also confirmed considering or applying the Gibbs phase rule. For example, in the area of phase, if we want to specify the system at point X, we need to specify temperature as well as pressure. With the help of phase rule, it can be calculated by placing the value of P in the rule. For water system, C is 1 and the number of phase is also 1. So if we substitute the value of C and P in the equation, F is equal to 2, means the nature of the system is bivariant. We need to specify temperature as well as pressure. Then if the system is to be specified or defined along with the curve, we need to specify either temperature or pressure. The second variable will get fixed automatically because along with the curve there is presence of two phases.